Hello, my name is Ryan Swinemer with Nautel's Customer Service Department, and welcome to the training session on setting up and saving a playlist from a USB thumb drive with MP3 or WAV files. I'm using a VS300 today. I'm going to get started by logging in using the Nautel default username of Nautel with a capital N and no password. This is a super user, and you must be a super user to complete this function. It also should be noted that this can only be done through the remote AUI portion of the transmitter, and you must be in remote mode to do it. A playlist cannot be saved or edited while it's being used by a preset. So first thing I will do is verify that my preset is not using a playlist for the audio source at the moment by going to Menu and then Presets, selecting the main audio tab, and you can see I'm in the MPX form right now, so that is fine. So next we will go to Menu, Software Configuration, and we will have a look at the audio files on our USB stick. Right now I don't have any files showing, but I also have an error that says USB not mounted. So I'm going to plug one of those in and then click the refresh button. And you may have to click the refresh button a couple of times. And here we go. I have 4 files, 2 MP3 and 2 WAV on my USB stick. So now I can go to the audio player option on the left and get started. The playlist tab currently shows no files in my playlist, so I'll go to the files tab, and you can see the same files we just saw in the upload file section. I will highlight a file and click the add button and go back to playlist, and you can see that that file is added. So go back to files. I can also add the same file twice if I choose by selecting it again and clicking add. Go back to playlist, and it's there for the second time. In here I can highlight a file and click the remove button to get it out of the playlist. This does not delete it off the USB drive, it just simply removes it from the playlist. Go back to files. I can also highlight multiple files and add them all at the same time. So I'll highlight one file, press and hold my control key of my keyboard, and highlight other files, and then release the control key and click the add button. All these 3 files are now added into my playlist. I can manipulate the order of my playlist by highlighting a file and using the move up or move down option. So now that you have your playlist in the order that you want, you click the save button. You click the save button, it doesn't appear that anything really happened, so the best thing to do is exit this menu, go into Menu, go back into Software Configuration, highlight the audio player, and you can see the playlist is how I saved it. So now we simply use this playlist in a preset now. Go back to the menu button, go to Presets, and the main audio tab, and the audio source for a playlist or a showcast will always be the secondary digital, and then you have a secondary source playlist here, and if we had showcast it would highlight as well. We'll leave it as playlist. Under my presets I have an asterisk to indicate that I've made a change and not saved it, so I click the apply button. The asterisk disappears and we now have FM modulation. So that is how you set up a playlist, save it, and use it as an audio source in a preset. I'm using software 2.0.2 of the VS series transmitter, and at this time if there is no tracking function for the which audio file is being played. So to verify which song you're listening to, you would have to use an FM receiver. And once you get to the end of your playlist, it will automatically loop back to the start of it as well. Once again, my name is Ryan Swinemer from Nautel's Customer Service Department, and thank you for watching our training video.